Achieving financial prosperity and personal development is a journey that requires a strategic blend of financial acumen and skill enhancement. In the pursuit of wealth, it is essential to adopt a multifaceted approach that not only focuses on making money, but also places a premium on continuous self-improvement. This journey involves honing existing skills, acquiring new ones, and navigating the ever-evolving landscape of opportunities. By combining a proactive mindset with a commitment to personal growth, individuals can pave the way to financial success while simultaneously enriching their lives through the cultivation of valuable skills. In this video of How to Be Rich, we will delve into actionable steps that intertwine the realms of financial prosperity and skill advancement, fostering a holistic approach towards a more lucrative and fulfilling future. Making money, education and career. Investing in your education means dedicating time, effort, and resources to acquiring knowledge and skills in a specific area. Choosing a high-demand field implies selecting an industry or profession where there is a significant need for qualified individuals, leading to better career opportunities and potentially higher income. When you invest in your education, you are essentially making a deliberate effort to enhance your expertise and capabilities. This could involve pursuing a formal education, such as earning a degree or certification, or engaging in continuous learning through workshops, online courses, and self-study. By developing specialized skills, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the job market. Seeking opportunities for career advancement involves actively looking for ways to progress in your current job or industry. This could mean taking on more responsibilities, pursuing promotions, or exploring lateral moves that broaden your skill set. Career advancement often leads to increased recognition, financial rewards, and job satisfaction. Considering starting your own business is another avenue for wealth creation and skill development. Entrepreneurship involves identifying market needs, creating a product or service to address those needs, and managing the operations of your own venture. It requires a combination of business acumen, risk-taking, and innovation. Starting a business can offer financial independence, but it also comes with its challenges, such as managing risks and uncertainties. In essence, these strategies emphasize the importance of being proactive in shaping your career and financial future. Financial planning. Establishing a budget and maintaining disciplined adherence to it forms the cornerstone of effective financial management. Crafting a budget involves meticulously outlining your income, categorizing expenses, and setting clear savings goals. By tracking daily expenditures and leveraging tools like budgeting apps, you can ensure financial transparency and prudent decision-making. Allocating a specific percentage of income towards savings, including short-term and long-term goals, is pivotal. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget allows flexibility in response to changing circumstances. Simultaneously, saving wisely entails building an emergency fund for unforeseen events and strategically managing debts. When it comes to investments, research various options and diversify your portfolio to manage risks. Contributions to retirement accounts, guided by professionals if necessary, lay the foundation for long-term financial security. Seeking advice from financial professionals ensures tailored strategies aligned with individual goals. Ultimately, financial literacy, ongoing education, and a proactive approach are crucial elements in navigating the complex landscape of personal finance. Entrepreneurship. Identifying market needs and delving into entrepreneurial ventures are pivotal steps in the dynamic realm of business. Understanding market demands allows entrepreneurs to pinpoint gaps or opportunities, paving the way for innovative solutions. Exploring entrepreneurial ventures involves bringing these solutions to fruition through the establishment of new businesses or the introduction of products and services that cater to identified needs. Simultaneously, learning about business management and strategy is essential for navigating the complexities of running a successful enterprise. This encompasses acquiring knowledge in areas such as organizational structure, resource allocation, and operational efficiency. Strategic planning involves setting long-term goals, devising tactics to achieve them, and adapting to market dynamics. By combining a keen understanding of market needs with a solid grasp of business management principles, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success and create ventures that not only meet consumer demands but also thrive in a competitive business landscape. Networking. Cultivating a robust professional network is a strategic move that significantly impacts one's career trajectory. Building this network involves establishing and nurturing meaningful connections with peers, mentors, and professionals within your industry. These connections serve as valuable resources for gaining insights, sharing knowledge, and staying informed about industry trends. By actively engaging with your network, you create a supportive community that can provide guidance, advice, and even potential job opportunities. Leveraging connections for career advancement entails tapping into the collective expertise and experiences of your network. This can involve seeking mentorship, collaborating on projects, or being receptive to new opportunities that may arise through referrals or introductions. Financial literacy. Taking the initiative to educate yourself about personal finance is a foundational step toward achieving financial well-being. This involves acquiring knowledge about budgeting, savings, investments, and debt management. Understanding personal finance empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, leading to greater financial stability and security. Additionally, staying informed about market trends and economic indicators is crucial for making strategic financial decisions. By combining a solid understanding of personal finance with awareness of market dynamics, individuals can navigate the complexities of the financial world more effectively and make sound decisions to achieve their financial goals. Improving skills. Continuous learning. Embracing a growth mindset and committing to lifelong learning are key principles for personal and professional development. A growth mindset involves viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement rather than obstacles. By adopting this mindset, individuals cultivate resilience and a willingness to continuously enhance their skills and knowledge. This commitment manifests through various means, such as taking online courses to acquire new skills, attending workshops to gain practical insights, and engaging in extensive reading to stay informed about evolving trends. In today's rapidly evolving world, those who embrace a growth mindset and prioritize lifelong learning are better positioned to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve continuous personal and professional growth. Skill assessment. Identifying and honing skills relevant to your field or desired industry is a strategic approach to career development. Begin by comprehensively understanding the specific skills valued in your chosen profession, whether they be technical, interpersonal, or industry-specific. Following this, assess your current skills set objectively to identify strengths in areas that could benefit from improvement. This self-assessment is a crucial step in personal and professional growth, as it allows you to align your capabilities with the demands of your field. This commitment to continuous improvement not only ensures that you remain competitive in your industry, but also positions you as an adaptable professional ready to tackle challenges and contribute meaningfully to your chosen field. Practice regularly. The acquisition of skills is only half the journey. The true mastery comes through hands-on application and consistent practice. By actively engaging in practical exercises and real-world projects, individuals can bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical implementation. Applying learned skills in concrete scenarios not only reinforces understanding, but also hones the ability to navigate challenges and complexities that may arise. The iterative process of putting knowledge into action and refining one's approach based on practical experiences is paramount for skill development. It's through this ongoing cycle of learning, application, and practice that individuals not only acquire expertise, but also build the confidence and adaptability needed to excel in their chosen endeavors. Mentorship. Seeking guidance from mentors who have excelled in your chosen field is a valuable strategy for personal and professional growth. Mentors, with their wealth of experience and insights, can provide invaluable perspectives and advice that goes beyond what textbooks or formal education can offer. Learning from their experiences allows you to gain a practical understanding of the nuances within your industry, providing a roadmap for navigating challenges and seizing opportunities. Establishing and nurturing these mentor-mentee relationships can be instrumental in shaping your journey towards success and can contribute significantly to your professional development. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.